Welcome to this demonstration video of 14th World Aqua Congress 2020 International Conference and Exhibition with the theme of water and climate change. As you enter the conference area, you will be asked to join the conference by entering your registered email and password, which will be sent to you at the time of registration. Next, you will enter the virtual lobby. The virtual lobby is the place which provides access to all the areas of the conference and several branding opportunities for partners. This is the time when a small introduction video also will be played, giving you the introduction of the event.
Hi, welcome to this introduction video to 14th World Aqua Congress, Conference and Exhibition. This also is the platform where we acknowledge champions of water and environment through Aqua Foundation's Excellence Awards. Let me take you through the journey to this virtual event.
Of course, you have the option of playing this video completely or pausing it and move on. Now, once you are back in the lobby, you have the option of going to auditorium, joining the award ceremony, the auditorium 2, where the technical sessions are being held, go to networking lounge, or go to exhibition area. The award ceremony recognizes the contributors for their outstanding achievement in field of water, environment, energy and more. Every year this AF Excellence Award ceremony is held along with the World Aqua Congress, and this year this is being done on the virtual platform. From here we once again come back to lobby and then choose the auditorium of our choice where the session of our interest is being conducted. As I said, there will be parallel sessions and we can choose to enter any of the auditoriums. Now here, once we enter, we'll be shown the schedule of the session. We'll be able to see the agenda, recording of previous sessions, join current session and set reminders for upcoming sessions. So this complete thing is available with every room in which we are entering, every conference room in which we are entering. From conference room we come back again to the lobby, and now let's enter the expo area. The main expo area displays the various exhibitors. Clicking on the logo of an exhibitor will take you to their virtual booth. All the booths are tastefully designed based on the requirement, where we have options of video call, chat, business card exchange, profile, brochures. The booth displays information about the company and engage with the booth visitors. The video call feature enables you to talk face to face with the person of your interest. Now this is absolutely a virtual exhibition, so on one-to-one video call between company executives and visitors is possible in this platform. And this is a wonderful opportunity to talk to your visitors as they are entering your booth. Then we have the option of chat, where the person can chat with you, so your executive sitting in your office can chat with the visitor. So this is the one-to-one chat option. Business card option of course is there. The profile can be displayed, where a video profile of the company with all the achievements, its products, its range of services can be shown to all the visitors who are visiting the booth. So this company profile video is another very interesting feature. You can keep the brochures there, which can be handed over to the visitors. There are various booth styles to meet the partner's requirement, and it can be designed as per your taste and requirement. You can see they come in different shapes and sizes and designs. The main attraction of any such event is the networking opportunity which it presents. Be it a conference or an exhibition, networking remains an important part. We have created dedicated lounges for networking opportunities, where you can hang out and network and chat with different people with whom you have your matching taste or the subject matter or the author of a particular paper. You can get in touch with the authors, you can get in touch with your colleagues, your industry partners here, and you can also search for delegates by name, organization and interest and the subject at which they are working. So this is a wonderful networking opportunity which this event provides in the form of these lounges. Lobby remains the area from where you can access any of the auditoriums, the exhibition hall, the award ceremony hall or the networking lounges. So with this we come to the conclusion of this demonstration video. We look forward to have you with us in this event. For any further information, please feel free to visit the website of the conference, that's www.worldaquacongress.org, or write at info@aquafoundation.in. The technology partner for this event are HUMS. Thank you very much.